Hey kitchen lovers! Are you tired of struggling with boring time-consuming kitchen tasks? Well, get ready because today, I'm about to show you some amazing kitchen tools that will save you time, make cooking easier and bring a whole new vibe to your kitchen. Trust me, you don't want to miss these life-changing gadgets. Let's dive right in. Steel corers. Tired of struggling to core apples or remove seeds from your favorite fruits? This stainless steel vegetable drill corer and spiralizer is here to save your time and effort. It easily cores, spirals and pits fruits and vegetables with just a simple twist. The ergonomic handle offers a comfortable, non-slip grip, making it super easy to use. Whether you're prepping apples, zucchinis or even cucumbers, this multifunctional set handles it all. Say goodbye to messy counters and hello to perfect spirals every time. Can opener. Open cans and bottles in seconds with this all-in-one multi-purpose opener. It features a smooth-edged tin cutter that ensures your hands are safe while opening cans. The anti-slip hand grip makes it super comfortable to hold, even when your hands are wet. Perfect for all sizes of cans and bottles. This is a must-have for any kitchen. Whether you're cooking dinner or just popping a soda, this tool makes it effortless. Scrubbing brush. Cleaning veggies has never been this fun. This cute carrot-shaped vegetable scrubbing brush easily removes dirt from potatoes, carrots, and other vegetables. Made from non-toxic food-safe materials, it's safe for your family and the environment. The comfortable grip makes it easy to hold while scrubbing even the toughest spots. Perfect for quick cleaning without peeling off all the nutrients. Add this playful yet practical brush to your kitchen and make prep time a breeze. Hand squeezer, fresh juice, fast and hassle-free. This stainless steel citrus juicer is perfect for squeezing lemons, limes and oranges right at home. It's compact, easy to use and delivers maximum juice with minimal effort. The sturdy build ensures long-lasting performance while the comfortable grip gives you great control. Whether it's for your morning lemonade or a refreshing lime splash for your recipes, this tool gets the job done. Quick to clean and easy to store. What more could you ask for? Splatter guard. Say goodbye to messy stove tops with this non-stick 3-sided grease splatter guard. It's foldable, easy to set up and fits most stoves perfectly to keep oil splashes contained. Made from durable stainless steel, it protects your walls and counters from stubborn stains. Cleaning it is a breeze, and when you're done, just fold it flat and tuck it away. It's perfect for frying, sautéing, and cooking messy dishes like bacon. Keep your kitchen neat and your cleanup effortless with this handy shield. Chopping board. Upgrade your kitchen with this premium stainless steel chopping board, designed for heavy-duty cutting and long-lasting use. Unlike traditional wooden or plastic boards, this one is completely rust-proof, non-slip, and super easy to clean. Perfect for chopping vegetables, fruits, meat, and even kneading dough without retaining odors or stains. The smooth surface is gentle on your knives and provides a stable, hygienic space for food prep. It's stylish enough to stay on your countertop and tough enough to handle daily kitchen tasks. If you want a chopping board that's durable, sleek, and hassle-free, this is it. Kitchen shears. These multifunction kitchen shears are the ultimate cutting tool you never knew you needed. Perfect for cutting chicken, fish, meat, vegetables, and even herbs. They can handle it all. Made from ultra-sharp stainless steel, they make chopping effortless and quick. The heavy-duty build ensures durability, while the comfortable grip gives you full control. They're easy to clean and can even cut through tough packaging. Once you try them, you'll never go back to using just a knife. Philips Digital Airfryer. Cook delicious crispy meals with up to 90% less oil using this Philips Digital Airfryer. The 4.1-liter capacity is perfect for small families, and the touch panel with 7 preset menus makes cooking super easy. Thanks to rapid air technology, your food cooks evenly and comes out perfectly crispy. You also get an additional 1-year warranty for peace of mind. From fries to chicken wings, this air fryer is your healthy cooking buddy to buddy. Plus, it's easy to clean and fits beautifully on your countertop. Sliding coffee tray mat. Make your kitchen appliances easy to move with this sliding coffee tray mat. It's perfect for placing under your coffee maker, toaster, or blender for effortless sliding. The smooth rolling wheels make it easy to pull out and push back appliances without scratching your countertop. It saves space, keeps your kitchen organized, and makes cleaning under appliances a breeze. Whether you're short on space or just love neat counters, this sliding mat is a game changer. Quick to install and super durable. Kitchen strainer. Keep your sink clean and clog-free with this stainless steel kitchen strainer. It easily catches food scraps and prevents waste from blocking your drain. The fine mesh design ensures even the smallest particles are trapped while water flows smoothly. It's rust-resistant, easy to lift out, and simple to wash. A must-have for every kitchen sink to make cleanup faster and prevent plumbing hassles. Compact, durable, and super effective. Electric glass kettle. Boil water quickly and safely with this electric glass kettle featuring an LED power indicator. It's made from premium borosilicate glass and comes with an automatic power cutoff for extra safety. The 360-degree swivel base and cool touch handle make it easy to handle and pour. Whether you're making tea, coffee, or instant noodles, this kettle gets it done in minutes. The concealed heating element prevents mineral buildup and makes cleaning super easy, sleek, efficient, and perfect for every home. Cupcake Maker. Bake 4 delicious cupcakes in just minutes with this compact cupcake maker. It heats up quickly and evenly for perfectly fluffy cupcakes every time. Super easy to use and safe for beginners. It's perfect for both kids and adults. The non-stick surface makes cleanup fast and hassle-free. Great for birthday parties, tea time snacks, or surprise treats. A sweet addition to your kitchen that makes baking fun and fast. Push chopper. Chop veggies and fruits in seconds with this powerful 5-blade manual push chopper. Watch it finely chop onions, tomatoes, cucumbers, and more without making a mess. Perfect for making salads, chutneys, and even chopping dry fruits. The hand press design makes it quick and safe to use. No electricity needed. It's easy to clean, space saving, and great for everyday kitchen tasks. A real time saver you'll love to use. Mixing bowls. Say hello to the ultimate mixing bowl set with 20 pieces, including non-slip bases and airtight lids. These stainless steel bowls nest perfectly for easy storage and come in various sizes to suit all your cooking needs. Ideal for mixing, baking, serving, and even storing leftovers. The silicone bottoms keep them from sliding while you work, and the lids lock in freshness. Super durable, stylish, and perfect for both beginners and pros. Your kitchen is about to get so much more organized. Electric spice and coffee grinder. Grind spices, coffee beans, and herbs in seconds with this powerful 200 watts electric grinder. The stainless steel blades ensure smooth, even grinding with just a push of a button. It's compact, easy to operate, and perfect for dry items like masalas, nuts, and seeds. Quick to clean and designed for small kitchen spaces, this grinder makes prepping your favorite blends super convenient. Wow, these kitchen tools are seriously game changers, right? Whether it's chopping, juicing, baking, or cleaning, there's something here to make your life simpler and your kitchen smarter. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and hit that follow button for more kitchen hacks and must-have tools.